Kerdi board is the perfect substrate to create and customize storage solutions to suit your design specifications. Kerdi board allows you to simply and easily build a substrate that is ready for tile. Kerdi board is lightweight, easy to handle, and quick and easy to install, unlike prefabricated vanities that do not always fit the space. Check out our Working with Kerdi board video for all of the details on cutting, fastening, and waterproofing your Kerdi board application. Use 2-inch thick panels for building vanity structures and at least 3/4-inch thick panels for shelving. Once you have your design specifications, the first step will be to cut the Kerdi board to size. We used a combination of a circular saw as well as a table saw, since this gives us quick, clean cuts for the thicker boards. The Kerdi board ZA or ZB profiles may be installed to reinforce panels for extra support. Kerdi board ZA features a brushed stainless steel surface and can be used to finish the face of the vanity. One option is to construct a floating vanity, which is a popular design trend. For our design, we cut a piece of 2-inch Kerdi board to create the face of the vanity. It was attached using Kerdi Fix. Later, we will attach a piece of Kerdi board to the side for a symmetrical appearance. We clamped the panels together and allowed the Kerdi Fix to set before installing the vanity unit. Vanities can be installed with thin set mortar or Kerdi Fix. All points of contact must have thin set mortar or Kerdi Fix applied for proper support. Floating vanities typically require brackets for support, in addition to bonding the Kerdi board panels to the wall. The brackets are anchored to solid blocking behind the wall sheathing. Install the panels, embedding them into the setting material. Although Kerdi board is waterproof, Kerdi band and Kerdi Karat corners can be used to seal seams and protect the gypsum board wall behind the backsplash from water exposure. The Kerdi waterproofing accessories are installed with thin set mortar. Apply the mortar with a 1/4-inch by 3/16-inch V-notch trowel, or the Schluter Kerdi trowel, which features a 1/8-inch by 1/8-inch square notch design. The mortar should be mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. Embed the membrane using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife. 2-inch overlaps are maintained at all seams and penetrations in the Kerdi board. There are various sizes of Kerdi band to accommodate different vanity and shelving designs. Tile can be set immediately over the Kerdi board using thin set mortar. Another option is to use Kerdi board over existing cabinetry. This approach can be used for vanities and countertops. The minimum board thickness required for this application is 1 1/2 inch. To prepare the Kerdi board for this design, we used a table saw, since this gives us quick, clean cuts for the thicker boards. A jigsaw was used to prepare the sink opening. The Kerdi board is adhered directly to the base cabinets using Kerdi Fix. The countertop to backsplash transition is easily waterproofed with Kerdi band and thin set mortar in the same manner as described previously. Sinks can be mounted on top of the tile or tiled under using the Rondec or Quadec finishing profiles. Keep in mind, additional support is required for fastening fixtures such as faucets and soap dispensers in tiled under sink applications. We are using tile pieces for our application. The options are truly endless when creating vanities using Kerdi board. Kerdi board can be used to create custom-designed vanities that are strong, dimensionally stable, and waterproof. Schluter Kerdi board. Build it, tile it, love it.